How to delete your watch list on cTrader. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your watch list on cTrader application. First of all, launch open your cTrader app on your smartphone or tablets and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of cTrader, you'll be inside the trade page. Go to the top and make sure you are inside your watch list. Under watchlist section, you'll see your list, tap on it, and you'll see all of the lists that you've created on the next page. To delete a specific list, tap the trash icon right next to the list and then click on OK. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your watch list right away. Deleting a watch list does not affect your trading history or your saved orders. It only clears the list of symbols you were tracking. Now you're all set. Keeping your watch list tidy can make monitoring your favorite instruments much easier. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you.